This is worth getting up at 3:55 in the morning to leave behind. Goodbye, snow. Goodbye. Stopped into what used to be the airport. I don't even know if they call it that anymore, but they've really done a nice job in here. It's beautiful. It was closed last time I was down here for this remodel, so well done. It does kind of smell like a pet store though, and I don't understand why. But other than that, good job. Well, this is a first. Talk about eating your words. I think I once wrote in Ears of Steel that I had no interest in ever staying at the Grand Floridian. And here I am. Look at the Christmas tree still up. Yep. Alrighty. There's the bandstand. This is already way above my pay grade, but we'll make the best of it. I think we'll be okay. I'm at Walt Disney World. Okay, so imagine you just walked in the door. You have this little hallway here. There's a closet. What else is new? There's the safe. Ooh, look at this. Now I have to admit, I don't usually stay in hotels that include robes. I've got the old bathroom. This is, look. This is certainly not a value resort bathroom. Big dual sinks. Separate commode, tub, the whole deal. Got Alice and the Mad Hatter. Got old fat me, Saint Guy. And come out here into the main area. I've got two. I don't think these are quite queens. These look more like doubles. It's weird. Look how the ceiling. It's kind of got like a vaulted ceiling or an art. What do you call? Is that a vaulted ceiling? It comes down. Got a nice sofa, which looks like it. Well, I was gonna say it looks like a pull-out, but there's not a lot of room here. So if it does, but it sure looks like a pull-out. So it probably must go right up to the edge here. I'm not gonna pull it out right now. Nice little desk area. That's actually very nice. And I got a Keurig. And then I have a balcony. See if I can figure this out. And I'm right over the pool. Pool view, man. It is very rainy and muggy here today. So here I am at the Grand Floridian. There's Seven Seas Lagoon right through there. And I think Magic Kingdom is like that way. I'm not sure. I see some green awnings over there, which I think is maybe the bus stops and the lights. So that would mean I'm not very good at wayfinding because I don't know which way is east, west, north, and south right now, but I think Magic Kingdom is like that way. I don't know. You tell me. Anyway, here it is. The old Grand Floridian. And we're home. The walls have moved since last time I was here. They were on this side, now they're on this side. It all begins with a line, Will.
Optimize. Oh, that is not what I asked.
Yeah, it completely changes what you're doing. Sorry, sir, this will not work as a car.
What happened? I didn't want to change it. I had the full Cybertruck.
Gas station. Oh, Logan, got some tribals.
Some butterflies.
We're going tribal.
It's good. I like it. This is our insane ride vehicle. Well, not ride vehicle, but
Everything is possible, even the impossible.
As the day fades and dusk turns to night, Epcot comes to life in a global celebration of Disney music.
So we're in kind of a backstage area. I don't know what I'm going to be allowed to show you. We're about to have dinner. This is between the UK Pavilion and the Canada Pavilion in Epcot. Sometimes they do like pin trading events back here. Look at the step and repeat over there for Mickey's Runaway Railway. And we're about to have dinner. There's buffets everywhere. I don't know what we're about to see, but I'm excited. And then we're going to go see the fireworks, the Epcot Forever show. I feel like I guess I should be showing myself more, but I'm kind of a sweaty mess. It's not hot here. It's actually beautiful. But even though it's cool, it's still like muggy, humid. How do you do that, Florida? How do you be not hot, but still be humid? It's very strange, and I'm sweating. And my hair is crazy, but that's okay. And anyway, I'm gonna get some food, and we'll see what happens here. Okay, before I devour all this, although the lighting in here is terrible, this is the fried yip. I think it's yip nip or yip tips from Galaxy's Edge. It's chicken nuggets with some kind of gravy.
How do you say it, Mark?
Yip tip, yip nip, yip nips, I don't know.
Yep.
And then, so this is beef, like a barbecue beef, but then the guy strong-armed me into trying this plant-based one. It's a plant-based terrine with a barbecue sauce, so I'm gonna be adventurous and give it a shot. I'm not excited about this at all. Let's see. That's all plants. Nothing died for that. Well, plants died, but that's okay. You know what? That's pretty good. That's really good, actually. I'm a vegan now. Look at that. That's how it happens. I don't know. I wanted to show you some of the food stations that we had tonight. Some, like these you can get in the parks. These are the fried tip yip and gravy. They're just chicken nuggets, but they're unbelievable. They're so good. Here's Droid Depot mac and cheese. And then there was some Rise of the Resistance rainbow carrot sticks. And then these are kind of cool. Look at Mickey Mouse watermelon. Oh, and it's in a runaway train made out of watermelon. We have a flower and garden festival, land-grown greens. So this salad, everything in this was grown in the land pavilion in the greenhouses. There's even edible flowers. And then there's an Awesome Planet baby vegetable medley. I had this. This was good. You know, it's just basic squash, onions, all that good stuff. There's potatoes. And here's a Canada far and wide salmon. I didn't get that because I don't like fish. And then over here, there's lamb, carved lamb. This is from the Riviera Resort, which we're going to be touring in a couple days. And this potato souffle was so good. Is this served at the hotel, at the Riviera?
Yes, sir.
So you can get this at the Riviera Resort, and I highly recommend it. So everything's basically, they're the same kind of all over. And I showed you that beef that I had and that plant-based terrine, which was amazing. I can't believe I'm saying that, but it's true. And now I'm going to show you guys something. We have some special guests here tonight. Get ready. Don't tell my girls. Look who came to dinner. I love this. There's a little step and repeat over here for Mickey's Runaway Railway with Goofy. We'll probably get a group picture in here later. Okay, we're in the Japan Pavilion. Let's see if you can see. The lighting is not good in this courtyard, but I wanted to show you. I'm having the Kirin frozen draft from the drink cart right over there. Right over there. My friend Corey turned me onto this, and I love it. I don't know, it's just refreshing. You would think it would be watery, but it's not. It's just a Kirin beer, and then they put this foamy frozen beer slush on top of it. It's really good. We had it in September when it was like 90 degrees, and it was like the perfect antidote for the heat. So give it a shot sometime. This is one of many reasons to love Japan. Someone created an entire character based on an egg yolk. And I salute it.
Later.
It's 4:24 in the morning. I have to go fight a Star War.